Laser cutting, an advanced technology that is transforming the way the world manufactures. In this rapidly evolving era, precision and efficiency are of utmost importance. Laser cutting technology, with its unrivaled accuracy, can cut various materials such as metal, plastic, and wood into complex and delicate shapes. Whether it's large components in industrial production or small accessories in artistic creation, laser cutting can handle it with ease. Its speed is truly astonishing. Compared to traditional cutting methods, laser cutting can complete a large number of tasks in an extremely short time, greatly enhancing production efficiency. Moreover, during the laser cutting process, almost no mechanical stress is generated, ensuring the integrity and quality of the materials.